Hey guys, if you're wondering how to make sure that your Magic Plan floors are aligned in h2x, you need to do the following things in the Magic Plan app on your phone or tablet. So, in your project, if you go onto any given floor and insert an object, type in X on the search bar and select that red X there. You'll then be able to select that X, drag it to the common point on the building that you would usually align with the crosshair on h2x. You can zoom in and move it to be a lot more precise, and then you just need to do that across both floors. I'll let this video play out so you can watch me doing it on the first floor. Now remember, it has to be specifically this red X because h2x recognizes that as the crosshair point when you upload it from Magic Plan. Again, to make sure that those floors are aligned and you're accounting for both the heated space above and the heated space below each given floor. Having done that, when you then come to upload the plan in h2x, project 11, you need to map the floors and the rooms and any radiators or chimneys as usual, and you can see that that has come in aligned for us across the floors. Thanks very much.